in the vibrant world of Pokémon, where creatures with special powers and trainers formed unbreakable bonds, there lived a special Pokémon named Pikachu. Pikachu was known for its electric abilities, cute appearance, and its unyielding loyalty to its trainer, Ash. One day, as Pikachu and Ash explored a dense forest near Pallet Town, they stumbled upon an ancient legend that spoke of a mystical rainbow stone, hidden deep within the heart of the Pokémon world. The legend told of a stone that held unimaginable powers and could bring harmony to all Pokémon. Intrigued by the tale, Pikachu and Ash decided to embark on a quest to find the elusive rainbow stone and unravel the mysteries it held. As they journeyed through lush meadows and climbed rocky mountains, Pikachu and Ash encountered new Pokémon friends. There was Bulbasaur, the grass and poison-type Pokémon, Squirtle, the water-type Pokémon, and Charmander, the fire-type Pokémon. Together, they formed a formidable team, each contributing their unique abilities to overcome challenges along the way. Their first obstacle came in the form of Team Rocket, a mischievous trio consisting of Jessie, James, and their talking Meowth. Team Rocket had heard rumors about the Rainbow Stone and was determined to get their hands on its power for their selfish desires. With Pikachu's powerful electric shocks and the combined strength of the team, they thwarted Team Rocket's attempts at every turn. However, the trio remained persistent, always devising new schemes to steal the Rainbow Stone. As Pikachu and friends delved deeper into their quest, they reached the mystical Rainbow Forest, where the trees sparkled with different colors. Legend had it that the Rainbow Stone was guarded by a wise and ancient Pokémon known as Celestia, the guardian of harmony. In the heart of the Rainbow Forest, they found Celestia, a majestic rainbow-colored bird with wings that glittered like gemstones. Celestia sensed the pure intentions of Pikachu and its friends and revealed the location of the Rainbow Stone. However, the journey to obtain it wouldn't be easy. To prove their worth, Celestia tasked Pikachu and its friends with a series of trials. Each trial tested their teamwork, courage, and kindness. As they faced challenges like crossing treacherous bridges, solving riddles, and helping lost Pokémon, Pikachu and its friends grew stronger, both individually and as a team. Finally, after overcoming all the trials, Celestia bestowed upon them a magical map that would guide them to the hidden chamber of the Rainbow Stone. The map revealed that they needed to navigate through the crystal caves, where the walls sparkled with the reflections of 1,000 colors. As Pikachu and its friends entered the crystal caves, they encountered mysterious puzzles and illusions. The caves seemed to come alive with hidden passages and sparkling crystals that played tricks on their senses. But with each challenge, they became more attuned to the magic of the caves and inched closer to the Rainbow Stone. Team Rocket, however, was not far behind. Using their cunning tactics, they managed to infiltrate the crystal caves and attempted to steal the Rainbow Stone for themselves. A fierce battle ensued between Pikachu's team and Team Rocket, echoing through the crystalline chambers. During the battle, Pikachu felt a surge of energy within itself. A brilliant light enveloped Pikachu, and it evolved into Raichu, gaining even more powerful electric abilities. With this newfound strength, Raichu unleashed a dazzling thunderbolt that not only thwarted Team Rocket, but also revealed the final chamber of the crystal caves where the Rainbow Stone rested. In the heart of the chamber, the Rainbow Stone emitted a warm, radiant glow. Pikachu and its friends approached it with a sense of awe and reverence. As they touched the stone, a wave of energy enveloped them, and they felt a deep connection to the Pokémon world. The Rainbow Stone had the power to amplify the positive energy of Pokémon and humans alike, fostering harmony and understanding. Celestia appeared, commending Pikachu and its friends for their bravery and selflessness. The legend of the Rainbow Stone had come full circle, and its magic would now resonate throughout the Pokémon world. With the Rainbow Stone in their possession, Pikachu and its friends returned to Pallet Town as heroes. The town celebrated their success, and even Professor Oak, Ash's mentor, acknowledged the extraordinary journey they had undertaken. As Pikachu and its friends continued their adventures, the rainbow stones served as a reminder of the importance of friendship, teamwork, and the enduring magic that existed within the Pokémon world. The legend of Pikachu's peculiar adventure and the quest for the rainbow stone became a cherished tale, inspiring trainers and Pokémon alike to seek the beauty of harmony in their own journeys.